Welcome to Airplane Memes. Infinite Flight is a good game. PTFS Physics left the chat. Things in life that will get you in jail. Stealing, trespassing, buttering a Ryan airplane. Me, those cool fighter jet stunt. My friends, the rest of the public server. Me buying the red arrows to show off, but no one in this server even cares. So I changed servers. What I expected my next server to look like. What it actually looks like. I know this video was very short, but I can't think of more lol. So please like and subscribe. Peace, cool peeps.